Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome to your maths class children. Today we are doing the topic of data handling. Now what is data? First of all, data as we can see in the easiest way, it is information. Data से हमारा मतलब है we have collected information. And here we are going to learn about how to manage this data in a systematic way so that we can use it and we can get some more information out of this data. Now in this first method of arranging a particular data is by the help of a pictograph. Now what is a pictograph? As you can see here children, pictograph uses pictures to show the data. So pictures are used in a pictograph and it shows categories, it shows the data. Here one picture can be equal to more than one. So here a table is given to us, a key is also given to us. This pictograph here as you can see is using apples. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो apples are being used and each apple represents something. So now as you can see here they have given that one apple is equal to 10 apples. So here is a example of pictograph where the data has been managed. The data can be shown easily by the help of pictograph and हम लोग देख सकते हैं here how many apples were sold in each month. So you can see the table here, January, February, March, all the months are given here and how many apples are sold is given in the form of these pictures. And here it has been mentioned that one full apple represents 10 apples and half apple represents 5. So seeing this pictograph, we can analyze the data, the information and answer many related questions. Now as you can see here, the main points regarding pictographs children is, as you can see highlighted here, it is usually made up of pictures. First point, which are used to represent numbers. So instead of writing numbers in pictographs, what are we doing? We are using the pictures. Then we have read about bar graphs. Bar graphs की तरह इनको भी we are using to compare the data. We are easily able to judge and compare the information which is given to us easily. Then the third special feature about a pictograph is that they are very eye-catching because pictures are used here like hearts, apples, stars, smileys, many things can be used. So the pictures which are used here are very eye-catching because it is colorful, it is attractive. And usually if datas are to be printed in newspapers and magazines, they have to be attractive. So many a times you can see there pictographs are used to share the information. So it makes it more interesting and you can say it is good to see. It is very eye-catching. Now here are some of the information or you can say the essential parts of a pictograph. Now first one is title. As we can see here, the title over here indicates कि पिक्टोग्राफ किसके बारे में है. तो यहाँ पे देखो the title here indicates that dogs in a show. यहाँ पे ये पिक्टोग्राफ किसके बारे में है? Dogs which are there in a show. This is the main you can say title or this pictograph is giving information about this topic. तो ये आपका टाइटल हो गया कि ग्राफ या पिक्टोग्राफ किसके बारे में बना है, तो ये पता चलता है टाइटल से. नेक्स्ट कम्स द कैटेगरीज, दैट मीन्स द नेम्स या मेन जो हमारा जिसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिली है, so that is divided into the groups or categories. So these are the categories like the non-sporting ones, toy, hounds, working, terriers, ये सारी categories हैं dogs की जो यहाँ पे उन्होंने यूज़ करे हैं to show. Then we have the key. Now key is very important. की से ये पता चलता है कि जो हमारी पिक्चर है वो क्या represent कर रही है. Like suppose here what they are using bones. Bones are used as the main thing in the pictograph. The picture is of a bone. Now one picture represents 10 dogs. That means one bone is representing 10. and half is representing 5. So if you see the first one, the sporting dogs, so how many? 1, 2, 3, that means 30, because each is representing 10, so 10, 10, 10, 30, or ye half, that means 5. So that means we can calculate it as 35. तो ये कैलकुलेशन हम किस बेसिस पे करते हैं? की के बेसिस पे. सो की इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, विच वेर इन वी आर शोइंग दैट वन पिक्चर विच वट एवर पिक्चर वी आर यूजिंग, वो पिक्चर क्या या कितना रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. एंड ऑल दिस जो हमने ये सारा कंपाइल किया है, व्हाट इज़ ऑल दिस? दिस इज़ ऑल डेटा. ये हमारा सारा डेटा है. सो दीज आर द एसेंशियल पार्ट्स ऑफ अ पिक्टोग्राफ. Now moving further, let us see this example of a pictograph. Now how do we read a pictograph, या pictograph को हम कैसे समझते हैं? तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले what we have to do is, first we have to read about its what? Title. हाँ, पहले हम इसका टाइटल देखते हैं कि ये पिक्टोग्राफ किसके बारे में है. So this over here is written here, favorite ice cream. So this pictograph is giving you the information about the favorite ice cream. ठीक है. Now favorite ice cream के categories यहाँ पे हैं. Second जो हमें information मिली है, and third you can see all these pictures of the ice creams are there. So first is the title which tell us what is the graph all about. Second information which we need is check the key. हमको इसमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा की क्या है. How many pictures will each represent? That means one ice cream is representing what? So if there is no key, suppose in here we cannot see any key is not mentioned here, so then we count by the ones. तो हम लोग 1 करके ही count करेंगे. If there is a key, then we regard like one ice cream is equal to 2 people, so then we are using the key. But if there is no key, then remember we have to count by ones. Then count the data. Use skip counting for graphs that don't count by ones. So we can use the skip counting if the graph is not being counted by ones. We have like suppose we have to have a data, we have a large data, तो हम skip counting 2, 4, 6 ऐसे करके जल्दी जल्दी उसको count करते हैं. But here we can easily count by ones. Like chocolate dip, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people like chocolate dip. 1 likes strawberry. 3 like vanilla. And maximum are liking, 5 are liking chocolate. So we can easily understand and get information regarding this particular pictograph. Now here let us take one more example. Now in this pictograph it shows, what is the title? It is showing ways to school, how the children are going to school. So title of the graph is ways to school. Now each picture, what is this? यहाँ पे जो ये दिया हुआ है, what is this? This is your key. ये हमारी की है. Each picture stands for 2 students. So we can easily say that how many children take the bus. So we can easily say 8, because यहाँ पे एक बस 2 को represent कर रही, तो 2, 4, 6, 8. So that means 8 children. Next question which is there is how many more children ride their bike than walk. So we can just compare 2 children walk and 3 take the bicycle. So we can easily say that 2 more. अगर हम इसको कंपेयर करते हैं, सो दिस कम्स टू हाउ मच? 2 and 2, दैट मीन्स 4, और ये 2, 4, 6, ये 6 हो जाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स 2 मोर. So here we are able to quickly give the answer by analyzing the pictograph. Now over here another example we have taken. Here the pictograph shows the flavor of favorite cookie. Which cookie is the favorite? So which cookie got the most votes? The one here, peanut butter, because इसमें maximum cookies हमें दिख रहे हैं. Each cookie stands for 5 votes. So you can see maximum votes peanut butter. How many children voted for chocolate dip? So 1, 2, 3. So 5 3s are 15. So we get the answer as 15. Then what is the total number of votes for the cookies? So total निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 into 5, 50. So total votes मिले हैं 50. So we have got so much of information by the help of this pictograph. Now this last one you will try yourself and find out the answers. Thank you children and have a nice day.